I can tell you an interesting part of a lawsuit in any case, and it's the wherefore clause. Now, I frequently get questions from my client about the wherefore clause in the complaint, the legal document that I send them that starts the process of their lawsuit. It's what we file in what's called the prothonotary's office in any county in Pennsylvania, and it starts the lawsuit. What's the wherefore clause? The wherefore clause is the last line of the complaint, and it says how much money we are demanding from the defendant. Now, here's the interesting and sometimes confusing part. In Pennsylvania, we are allowed to ask for dollar amounts of over $50,000 or $50,000 or less. So if my client has a case that we believe is worth $1 million, let's say, the only thing that we can do in the wherefore clause is ask for an amount of money from the defendant in excess of $50,000. That can be confusing for some clients because they're saying, well, wait a second, my case I know is worth more than $50,000. How come you didn't ask for that? Because the Pennsylvania rules do not allow us to ask for that. By the same token, if there's a case that is pled, as it were, for $50,000 or less, does that guarantee that my client is going to receive $50,000? No. If the case goes to a jury trial or to an arbitration or to any other proceeding or settles before a trial, it may resolve for less than that amount. By the same token, if a case is filed and we ask for an amount in excess of $50,000, it may settle for an amount that's close to $50,000, $60,000, $70,000, $500,000. Whatever the value of the case is the value of the case. What the wherefore clause is just an amount that's pled in the complaint. And if it's $50,000 or less, it goes into the arbitration system in Pennsylvania, and if it's more than $50,000, it automatically goes to a non-jury pool for trial, or it goes into a jury pool. That's the distinction.